Hello everyone, today we're going to be making some tandoori drumsticks in the air fryer. Let me show you. This is what I've lined up after marinating it. Let me give you the instruction as to what to do. So I got myself a store-bought tandoori masala. You can buy it from any local Indian store that's nearby. And I marinated with my homemade plain yogurt. Just have to get any store-bought plain yogurt and mix it with the powder. The instructions are on the back. Just follow the instruction. You don't have to add anything else. It's pretty much the powder and the yogurt. And after that, I marinated this overnight, and it was sitting in the fridge for all the juices to redistribute and the masala to go in. I actually scored, and I'm not sure if you can see it, I scored the drumsticks a little bit here and there so that the masala gets into it. And here, this is the tray that came with the air fryer and the basket. I lined it up with aluminum foil and then sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray. And I lined it so that it doesn't stick to each other. So I will put this in the air fryer now, and I will show you what the setting that I'm going to set it in. So here we are at the air fryer. I'm gonna set the temperature to 400 and then set the mode to air fryer mode. Let me put it inside. The manual actually says to put it on the setting number 2, but I find that it gets too dark and it gets burnt if it's on that setting. So I'm usually, these days I'm putting it in level number 1. So there it is, and let me close it, and I'm going to set the timer to 20 minutes. So when it's midway, like 10 minutes down, I will come and turn the pieces. I will turn the pieces so that it gets browned easily. And earlier, I had made some French fries to go with the chicken for my kids. They don't prefer rice, so they will eat that with the fries here. My younger one does not like the Indian tandoori masala taste, so for him, I had made a different dressing. He insisted that he wanted me to use the Panda Express orange sauce. So it's not that salty. To add a little bit of salt to it, I added some low sodium soy sauce and marinated it for like say 20 minutes and massaged it a little bit, and I put it in the air fryer for the same temperature, that's 400 degrees, and 15 minutes, and this is how it came out. I think it looks good and delicious. I think the sugars in the orange chicken sauce like helped it caramelize on the top. He will eat this with a side of fries for dinner, and I will show you how the tandoori chicken comes out in 10 minutes. So we approached the 10-minute mark. Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna open it. It's very hot. So I am kind of filming and flipping at the same time. So I'm gonna have my son take over. Thank you. Don't want to film myself. You can pull it out all the way and then do it. I'm just lazy. So after the 10-minute mark, I will push this in. I flipped it all, and it's extremely hot. Close it and let it go for a 10 more minute. Let it go for 10 more minutes. Let me see if it's all the way cooked. If not, then I will add another 5 minutes. But I feel like it's going to be done in 10 more minutes. So I'll get back to you after 10 minutes. So it's about to be done. You can see glistening, bubbling. Yeah. There it is. It's done. Let me open it.
You can hear that sizzle.
Yep. It's nice and crispy. So we are going to let it sit for like a minute so that the juices redistribute. And last one. So see the oil. Here it is, tandoori legs, hot and piping and sizzling, and it's delicious. So there it is. I plated it with some apple and onion salad. I'll post this recipe sometime soon, and some yogurt, plain yogurt, if it's too hot. We tasted it and it really is nice and tasty. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.